see why the girlies be shopping at Target. When I saw this, I was like, yeah. How are we rating this outfit? It's giving 10 plus 1. I think so. Today we're gonna be doing a Target haul. If you hear a little, you know, audio in the background, that's not my voice. I have a little baby. This was my first time shopping at Target for clothes. But I was like, you know what, let me give Target a try. I saw a few of the girlies. Target. I always see that. Let's get right into this haul. Actually, let's focus on this outfit first. This is really giving fall. This skirt, she's perfect, very fitted. And this vest. So technically, this is not like the outfit, but I had to change the shoes. But anyways, now let's get into the haul. I had fall in mind when I did this shopping. So keep that in mind. Besides having fall in mind, clearly I also just grabbed some stuff just because they look so good. Target be having like collections. I'm not familiar with their collections, so forgive me if I say anything wrong, but this jacket is really chic. I'll probably like tie it in the back. I feel like the quality is good for the price. Open it up. This is how the jacket is fitting. This is how the material is. $45. If y'all would prefer I put the price in the videos too, just let me know. This is how it's fitting because I already have it tied in the back to some extent. I love how I tied it in the back because it's giving shape. And it's not even like something drastic. I literally just boop. I guess that can be tied in the back and then button up over here. No, I don't think that's gonna work. If anything, maybe a pin. A pin will work. This will be so pretty. Next is this little crop sweater. Oh, this is nice. Once again, everything just goes with the outfit that I'm already wearing. Did I plan it? This is nice. I like this. Pull it all the way down. Very warm, comfortable. You can style this a couple ways. And this one is $24. Next up is another jacket. This time it's denim. This goes perfectly with this outfit. Literally simple. It's still pretty. Oh my gosh, I actually really like this with this outfit. I don't know if I would tie it, but if I do, it will be exactly like this. Set up, you know. Yeah, this is what no. Yes, I like this personality. That one, not so much. But yeah, this is so pretty. Next is this little denim. It's simple, but I feel like it can bring a lot of personality to an outfit. This is more so like, I want to say accessory vibes. That's what it's giving me. That's how I would categorize it. Next, we have this skirt. It's very pretty. If you're like a Target girly, would you say they typically have great stuff, or is it like a hit and miss? Because I'm new here. You can style it a couple different ways. It's perfect for fall. The color you can wear with tights when it gets cold. Could be a little short for some people. And I got a small. I want to say it's perfect for me. I did have to wiggle jiggle a little bit, but you know, I'm okay with that. Instead of the waist being big. With this jacket, maybe the black one, or this one was closer. This is so pretty. I'm so glad I'm back to doing fashion videos. I be having so much fun. It's like my self-care. But anyways, yeah. Next we have these pants. This is how it looks, comfortable. Me personally, this is something I will wear in the house, or if I'm like grocery shopping. This is giving me sweats vibe. This is what I consider sweats. I'm not really a sweats person. Maybe it just depends, because this right here, it looks cute, so I would still wear this. I don't know if it's gonna be like out though. Oh, to the airport. See, there we go. It's okay for airport. It can be paired with this. This would be so nice if you have pockets right there. Imagine stretching the waist, pockets. It can go with this as well. This is nice. Nice little outfit. It seems like they all go together real bad. Same pants can be paired with the leather jacket. This one, the denim, we have options. We have options. And they're all giving full. This is this. To be honest, it could go with everything. I think the black one or the denim. I'm thinking the denim would be better. It's kind of like you want to dress up, but not really. How would you style this? Here's the set. It's such a girly set. I'm also not really a sneaker person, I want to say. But when I saw these, I was like, okay, this looks like it got personality. When it comes to shopping and what I buy in general, I needed to have personality, and the details in these, they're literally so pretty. Next, these boots, perfect for fall. OMG, this particular shoes, I was like, oh, okay. Target, don't sleep. Because when I saw this, I was like, yeah, look at the details. Yeah, so pretty. I'm New Year and all, but I would not have guessed Target would have this baby. This baby. You see the glitz and the glam? Oh my gosh. Yeah. So that is all for the Target haul. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. If you want me to include any other details in the video, please comment down how I can make these videos much better. I'm just starting back over, getting back into the hauls again, so bear with me, but leave feedback on what you like, what you don't like. I'm okay with that. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Kisses.